Hello, I wanted to share new progress being made on the beach. Once stood the old Junkanoo building and fresh catch that was wrecked by Hurricane Ian back in 2022. It's about 2.5 years later now. It's being demolished, and the town was going to do a demolition on it. And then the owner did turn around and submitted for the demo permit. And here we are a few weeks later now. The demolition has started. So this is footage I'm showing first of the building that stood. It is the fresh catch section. This is before the demolition, and so I wanted to show the before and after and share it with you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this progress being made on the beach. As of right now, I haven't heard of the plans happening with this lot. It was at the time, I think the owner was talking to Seagate, which happens to be the neighbor right next to it, of possibly selling the property to them. But I'm not sure if that's going forward or not, or what the future plans are for this lot. All right, hope you enjoy this video. This is David Piper with beachesrealestategroup.com. I'm a local real estate agent on the island. I'm here for your real estate needs. If you need to buy or sell on the island or in Southwest Florida, you can contact me via phone or text. And I look forward to hearing from you.